Yeah, we don't want to do anything spiritual.
Welcome to Straight Up with Kevin Carter, a retired veteran and decorated police officer with over 17 years' experience. Tackling current events, local, state, and federal. Covering today's topics and events with special guests. And now, here's your host, Kevin Carter.
Hello, I am Matthew, your special host for this episode of Straight Up with Kevin Carter. Today I am going to share with you a new program which is designed to go after Big Pharma. Billionaire Mark Cuban is going to war with Big Pharma. He recently launched an online, low-cost pharmacy that offers affordable generic versions of 100 life-saving medications. His goal is to fundamentally transform how the notoriously confusing and shady the industry operates, and make medication more affordable for all. Cuban's pharma plan is to have radical transparency in pricing. They charge a standard 15% markup on the manufacturing cost of the medications. Pharmacies typically charge a 100% markup on generic drugs, according to industry experts, with some charging as high as a 1,000%. For example, Cuban's new pharmacy is charging $47 for a life-saving leukemia drug. Its normal retail price? $9,657. We will do whatever it takes to get affordable pharmaceuticals to patients, says Alex Oshmansky, CEO of Cuban's online pharmacy, said in a press release. The markup on potentially life-saving drugs that people depend on is a problem that can't be ignored. It is imperative that we take action and help expand access to these medications for those who need them most. The company does not take insurance, because that would force them to work with certain manufacturers that would require increased prices. Instead, their prices are lower than what the generic medications typically cost with insurance. All patients would need to claim medication from Cuban's pharmacy, is to get a new prescription from their medical provider. This program, if successful, would change how pharmaceutical companies do business. In 2020, the pharmaceuticals and health products industry in the United States spent the most on lobbying efforts, totaling to about $306.23 million. In the same year, the insurance industry spent about $151.85 million on lobbying. This is just a sample of some of the episodes you can expect to hear very soon. Hope you enjoyed today's snippet. Stay tuned for more with Straight Up with Kevin Carter.
It's the last thing we want to do. We don't want to scare anybody.
We hope you've enjoyed this episode of Straight Up with Kevin Carter. For questions or comments, contact us at straightupkevincarter@gmail.com. Until next time.